Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In one of my classes last week, while we were discussing relationships, students got talking about people they know who were in mixed nationality relationships, two people from different countries who'd got together. And one student told the grimly comic tale of a couple that she knew who were from very different countries. The woman was from Finland and the guy was from Brazil. And they were both working in diplomacy and were based in Brussels in Belgium. And the thing that really caused them problems was what temperature a room should be heated to. The Finnish woman generally wanted things to be a bit colder. The Brazilian guy generally wanted things to be quite a lot warmer. And over time, the issue of what temperature to have their apartment heated to became a huge problem for them. In the end, it basically became such a bone of contention that it ended up driving them apart and they split up. If you describe something as a bone of contention, you mean it's something that people disagree about and argue about over a long period of time. So money is a common bone of contention in lots of marriages. And you sometimes hear couples say things like, the main bone of contention for us is our kids' education and what kind of school we each want our kids to go to. More recently in the news, there's been quite a lot of stories about the fact that France and Germany are arguing about how best to approach Russia's war on Ukraine. President Macron seems to think he can swan round the world being charming and persuade authoritarian dictators to be nicer to the rest of the world, whilst the Germans are slowly coming round to the fact that arming Ukraine seems to be the main way of dealing with Russian aggression. So basically, the approach to handling the war has become a real bone of contention between France and Germany. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use bone of contention.